Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to extract the font high in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show extract the font high. Now firstly select from your text. Now going to the home menu option. Then click for a increase font size option. Now click for that leaves. Then again select from another text. Now going to the increase font size. Now for click that is. Then we show extract the font high in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.